Here is the vegetarian soup. I told you I wanted me to be stronger. Ay. Oh, sir, a super meteorite is coming. It's on the news. The super meteorite has superpowers, and be careful, it is dangerous. Ha 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 ha! Danger is my second name. Ha 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 ha! Later in the park. Dun, dun. There it is, next to this boy. I am not a boy anymore. The meteorite got me. Now I am a super boy. Ah. 1 hour later in the park. Dun, 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 dun. Sir! Oh. And the meteorite? I don't know. And the boy? I don't